Hi there. My name is Cecilia Sanders, and I'm a fifth-year graduate student in geobiology here at the Caltech Division of Geological and Planetary Sciences. I spend a lot of time in the field. While I'm there, I collect a lot of stratigraphic data, I make a lot of sketches, and I bring back a ton of rocks. Not a literal ton, more on the order of 300 or 400 kilograms of rocks. And when I do that, I bring them back here to our sedimentology lab. So you can see behind me a little bit, the sedimentology lab has a cam sizer. It has like a wet bench for chemistry back there. In this lab, we also have some excellent optical microscopes. Currently, they're under the dust covers in here. We have a bunch of drawers with our personal sample collections. I've got a ton of rocks, all of them bundled up and packaged up real safe. I'm in the process of micro drilling these for small amounts of powder, which I will then take to our isotope ratio mass spectrometry labs for analysis.
Okay. Hello, I'm Dustin. I'm a geology grad student here at Caltech. And here I'm just going to show you off. We have some incredible collections here with as we go all around the world and have incredible rocks and fossils from all over and from all different times. For example, we have these incredible ammonoids that we found, some awesome sponges, and absolutely stunning examples of crinoids. Here we have some incredible drill core samples. You can see the layers of rocks deep into the earth. We have a whole variety of tufas. These are various lake deposits. These are billion-year-old stromatolites from the Pathai group in Canada. Some of the best stromatolites you'll ever see of incredible layered growth going up the rock. Yeah, we have all kinds of incredible samples here to learn and study, and opportunities to get your own from all over the world.
Hi, y'all. Now I am down in the sub-basement of the ARMS building, where a lot of our geology, geochemistry, and geobiology folks are here in the Division of Geological and Planetary Sciences. Down here is our division analytical facility. So this is where we keep a lot of the analytical instruments that we use to examine the composition of rocks. So right behind me is our scanning electron microscope. Super awesome, super powerful tool. Of course, I tend to talk in terms of minerals, but a lot of folks in biology and in material science also use this instrumentation. Over here on this side of the room, you see our little sample mounting set up here. Those are little aluminum pegs that we use for mounting individual samples. On the other side of the lab, we have our Bruker M4 Tornado. This guy allows us to make X-ray fluorescent maps of our samples so that we can get the spatially resolved elemental composition data. There's this lovely little curtained area for more sample preparation. So this device we use for sputter coating our samples with platinum, palladium, gold, combinations thereof to make the surfaces more conductive for precision elemental and isotope compositional analyses.
Hi everyone, I'm Ted. I'm a postdoc in geology. This is the secondary ion mass spectrometry lab, and it's really incredible. Hopefully you'll get to play with these special machines someday, but they're really impressive. And this is a gargantuan device that lets us measure the isotopes and elemental concentrations of things at the micron or even the nano scale. But you can slide your samples into these vacuum chambers, and you zap them with an ion beam, like cesium, and you measure things like carbon isotopes or sulfur isotopes. There's another mass spectrometer called the nanosims, which is even bigger and goofier to measure even smaller things at the nanoscale. And you can make these really incredible maps of rocks at the nanoscale. So this is a 10 micron scale bar, and here they're mapping the carbon isotope distribution at the nanometer scale.
So right here in the lobby of the ARMS building, I just wanted to show you this really excellent saber-toothed cat. specimen that we have on display here, along with some models and sketches. This beautiful image of a Pleistocene landscape. These are part of what used to be a much larger collection of paleontological specimens here in our division, but most of it was donated to the La Brea Tar Pits museums. One of my favorite things about being a student here in the Division of Geological and Planetary Sciences is how many beautiful spaces there are to work. I can have the quiet seclusion of a library, I can have a beautiful landscaped corner of the campus, and then of course there's all of the beautiful cafes and parks and things around the area. This is one of the many communal offices for graduate students and postdoctoral fellows that we have here in the Division of Geological and Planetary Sciences. This guy over here is my own space. I would get to sit here and have access to my big beautiful monitor, my nice desktop computer. One of the benefits of these shared working spaces is not just being able to hang out with your friends, but also being able to have those very organic, unplanned, spontaneous conversations. So these shared spaces are really a pretty awesome part of our interdisciplinary department's approach.